What is it to be a successful trader? It is not all of the fake gurus on YouTube that show expensive cars and fancy lifestyles. It is a regular person who was losing but now is profitable. Just 2 days ago, in our Discord channel, one of the VIP members wrote the following: "Thanks for being here. I owe your team a lot. Thanks to you guys, I have been trading with success for 2 years now." And when I read that, I just stopped. I literally paused myself because my life in the last 10 years is just crazy. A lot of work, 15 to 18 hours per day sometimes. New house, kids, building a team of traders with all the profits I make, spending nearly all of my money for live accounts and props and funded accounts in order to test EAs. Really nuts. But that message just made me realize something. That I achieved one of my dreams, to help others not just to learn forex trading or algo trading, but to teach others how to be successful, how to make money with trading robots. And it's not about me here. The goal was never to show that I am successful, but to create content that will make you successful. And I can proudly say that I achieved that. Today, I will share what you need to do if you want to become a successful trader. Number 1, have realistic expectations. The fake gurus that you see on YouTube with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and many of those are actually fake subscribers. You can buy subscribers on YouTube. Did you know that? I didn't know that. I was just offered recently to purchase subscribers. Can you imagine that? That's crazy. But they all bring false expectations by showing a lifestyle that is also fake. They rent sports cars just to shoot the video. They rent houses just to shoot the video. But the amount of followers they get and the trust they earn by this fake lifestyle brings them more money to cover all of this renting. I don't know if they have any money left, I don't care, but stay realistic with realistic expectations. And that is why on the new platform of Algo Trading Space, guys, we have listed all of our results publicly, even the live trading bigger accounts, because before we were showing them only to the VIP members in our Discord, but now they are all public, just because it is very important to see a realistic result. These are the realistic results we got in the last 30 days, guys. You can see that they range from 1.2% or something to 4%. The Forex Gold Investor did well last month with 19% in this account. Happy Gold Recovery with 4.6%. That is realistic. And with my videos, doesn't matter if I'm getting fewer subscribers or fewer likes and comments and whatever is important for YouTube. I want with my videos, my subscribers to have realistic expectations from the trading, because this is the first important step and the other 4 are just continuation and the right path after a real expectation. Number 2, learn from the right source. There are so many trading forex crypto academies out there, and that's okay. You have to learn before you start, but keep one thing in mind, something very important. All of those businesses make money from the courses they sell, from the fees they get from the beginner traders. And there you learn from lecturers, not from traders. And I've been there. When I started, I spent a lot of money to go to London and the London Academy of Trading, which was a great experience, but there was just one trader in there and all the others were lecturers. And it wasn't enough. I learned a lot, but it wasn't enough, and I had to learn much more after that in order to become profitable trader. And I've also done that. I have recorded courses because this was the only way I found to quit my 9-to-5 job. I needed money. I was trading, but it was really hard because I didn't have any capital at this time, right? So I started recording courses, but the difference here was that I was giving real value in these courses, and I'm still giving value in these courses after nearly 10 years because we add ready to use expert advisors and robots so the people can actually trade, right? Not just theories and patterns and candlestick formations, all of that crap that won't make you money. And just 1 month ago, the algo trading space, the new platform, was called EA Trading Academy. And I just loved the idea of the academy. I really wanted to teach people with online courses, one-on-one calls, how to trade, how to be profitable and successful. But I realized something very important this year. If I want to have a real community of traders, I need to have traders in my team, not lecturers. So I started building my team, and most of those amazing people are traders, and they help me a lot to manage all of the accounts we are trading because they are just many. Look at that. These are only the live accounts we are managing. 69 live accounts at the moment. In total, we have over 140 accounts, which is nearly impossible for a single person to manage. And most importantly, all of those traders are answering the comments below the videos. They are the people in the Discord, in the forum, everywhere. No customer support people that have no idea about trading at all. We also launched the VIP club because we wanted to put the best traders together, and the message I showed you at the beginning is a message in the welcome channel in the Discord. So he became successful just from following our videos and our content, and just now he got into the VIP, and I will do my best to ensure that he will be more successful. Number 3, control your emotions by setting your own rules. And even though with algo trading we put away the greed and the fear in trading, which are the 2 emotions that cause the most losses, but in algo trading you still need to control your emotions, because when do you withdraw your profits, or how much of the account you are risking? Maybe this time you risk 20% and you hit it and you say, oh, if I waited just 50% of a drawdown, I would recover. And again, you start to put those emotions. So you make sure to set certain rules. Now, the very important rules I have for myself is that I never risk more than 50% in my live accounts. I always withdraw the profits at 20%, or if it is a funded account, as you know, the drawdown is usually at 10%, but I withdraw profits every month at the end of the month, no matter how big it is. So for example, with the accounts I have from X Trading, and especially with iFunds, if I just arrange them according to the platform, you will see that with iFunds I am requesting withdrawals regularly. This account trades a few of the happy EAs, and I've requested $870 of a withdrawal. From the FX stabilizer, $1,300 of a withdrawal. And recently I opened many more accounts with iFunds just because they give me nice leverage, guys. If I show you the pricing, you will see that for 10k I am paying $700, and I can withdraw 50% of the profit split by default. And depending on the strategy, I can decrease the drawdown rule, which increases the profit split. If I have a low drawdown strategy, I can request 80% of the profits. And if I show you my portal from iPhones, you will see that I have many accounts. For example, with this one, I can withdraw $907. With the next account, I can withdraw $438. And so with the next one, what it is, $588. Just at the end of every month, which is actually now, it is already the 3rd of October. So tonight or tomorrow, I'll be withdrawing profits from all of these accounts. No matter if it is 100, 200 profit split I'm getting, I just withdraw whatever I can. This way I found out that I'm controlling my emotions and my greed. Of course, if you want to have a bigger account, let's say you can afford now $400 for funded account, and the difference of $300 you can use from your profits, and you can scale up your account into a bigger one and benefit from extra trading room. So instead of withdrawing profits, you can scale your account so you're not spending more money for new account, which is a nice way to grow your account. But still, I would suggest withdrawing profits from time to time. The more regularly you do it, the more you put the emotions away. Trust me on this one. Number 4, build a portfolio. Don't trust just one strategy or expert advisor, guys. Have a look at our funded accounts. We have so many different robots on so many different accounts, but that's our work in algo trading space, to test as many EAs as possible and of course to maintain a profitable portfolio. But if you're a beginner and you're just starting out, start with a few expert advisors, minimum 3 I would say, and 3 different account types. Let's say funded account from iPhones, live account with whichever broker you select, maybe one prop firm challenge if you're a risky type of trader, but don't depend on one EA. I've heard many times people tell me, oh, I've lost so much money with this prop firm because they shut down. Well, why you put all your money in this prop firm? Or why would you trade with just one expert advisor when there are so many out there? And it's a lot of possibilities on the market, guys, but make sure you diversify the risk. We at Algo Trading Space trade at least with 2, 3, 4 prop firms, at least with 3 funded programs, at least with 3, 4 forex brokers, and we compare the conditions all the time and we diversify. And even if something happens with one of them, we're good because it will be a small portion of our portfolio. Just look one more time at the results. We have 51 funded accounts. If I go back to the live trading, you will see that we have 69 accounts trading different expert advisors with different set files, different inputs. That is risk diversification. So pick a few expert advisors, pick a few trading platforms and trade without risking the entire capital you have for algo trading. At number 5, we have aim for realistic targets. And that's pretty much related to point 1, realistic expectations, but the expectations are right before you start trading. The targets are after you are into the game. When you are already trading, just look for small, regular profits. And in one of my previous videos, I showed you my portfolio of live accounts just 16 months ago. And look at where I am today. With the funded accounts, I am trading more than $2.2 million. With the live accounts, which one more time are 69, we have capital of above 75, I believe. Yep, $76,000. And you can see that in the last 30 days, this portfolio made 4.06%. I have requested withdrawals and I have been just profitable. And one more time, guys, 75K in 69 accounts. 75K is not important. The number is not important. The important thing is how many accounts I have in there. 75K and 69 accounts. So if you want to be successful, you can be successful. Remember those 5 things I shared with you. Put them on a piece of paper, print them out on your desk or hang them on the wall. I don't care. I just want you to come back to this video 2 years from now and leave a similar message to what our VIP member did. That's all I need, guys.